The Lavish Luxury RV Marathon Show Coach is the epitome of luxury on wheels, built for those who crave comfort, style, and all the bells and whistles imaginable as they travel. Built on the Prevost H3 chassis, renowned for its smooth ride and quiet operation, Marathon takes it a step further with their expert craftsmanship to create a truly lavish living space. Step inside and be greeted by a voluminous living area thanks to driver's side slide-outs that expand the space. High ceilings and ample windows further enhance the feeling of openness. These coaches boast a sleek and sophisticated appearance. Imagine textured paint finishes with metallic accents, polished stainless steel accents, and all crafted with premium materials built to last. Owning a Lavish Luxury RV Marathon Show Coach is about indulging in a lifestyle of luxury and comfort on the road. The 26T Predator Bespoke is a high-end horsebox by Legal International, designed specifically for the discerning equestrian enthusiast. The 26T refers to its weight class, indicating it can carry a significant amount of cargo, which in this case translates to spacious and comfortable accommodation for your horses. Bespoke signifies that this horsebox is customizable to your specific needs and preferences. The living quarters can be designed to your taste and needs. Imagine features like comfortable sleeping areas, a kitchenette, a bathroom, and even entertainment systems. Legal can customize the horse compartment with features like partitions, adjustable padding, skylights, and ventilation systems to ensure the horse's comfort and safety during transport. The 26T Predator Bespoke is a dream horsebox for those who prioritize both luxury and functionality when traveling with their horses. It's a perfect blend of quality craftsmanship, spacious comfort, and the ability to personalize it to your exact needs. Rhinomax is an Australian company that manufactures hybrid campers and caravans, designed for those who love to explore and camp off the beaten path. Their caravans are known for being rugged and well-equipped for off-road travel, while still providing all the comforts of home. Rhinomax Caravans are built with a strong chassis and suspension system that can handle rough roads and uneven terrain. They also have a narrower width than most caravans, making them easier to maneuver on tight trails. Rhinomax Caravans are equipped with solar panels, lithium batteries, and large water tanks, allowing you to camp off-grid for extended periods. Rhinomax Caravans come with all the amenities you need for a comfortable camping trip, including a well-equipped kitchen, a comfortable bed, and plenty of storage space. The most compact and lightweight caravan offered by Rhinomax, perfect for weekend getaways or solo adventures. The Fleetwood Discovery 38N is a luxurious Class A diesel motorhome designed for comfortable and stylish on-road adventures. With an 84-inch ceiling height and ample living area thanks to its Class A design, the 38N provides a roomy feel for relaxing and spending time indoors. Master bedroom: the Master Suite offers a king-size bed or potentially a queen bed with a comfortable mattress for a restful sleep. Enjoy the convenience of a private bathroom with a shower, toilet, and likely dual sinks. The Fleetwood Discovery 38N is a top-of-the-line Class A diesel motorhome that prioritizes comfort, luxury, and a smooth driving experience. It's ideal for those who enjoy traveling in style and appreciate all the amenities of home on the road. Expect high-quality furnishings, hardwood cabinetry, and solid-surface countertops in the kitchen. The Discovery 38N boasts features like a central vacuum system and a fireplace for added comfort. Spacious compartments provide ample storage for outdoor gear and camping supplies. The Raptor X Off-Road Caravan by Hunter at Nature is a German-built caravan designed for off-road enthusiasts who crave adventure without sacrificing comfort. The suspension system is likely designed to handle off-road conditions, providing a smoother ride over bumps and uneven terrain. The Raptor X likely includes a bathroom with a toilet and shower facilities. The kitchen may be equipped with a sink, cooktop, and refrigerator, allowing you to prepare meals on the go. Some models may include solar panels to help charge the battery and power appliances. Storage compartments throughout the caravan allow you to pack all your essential gear for off-road adventures. The Raptor X is built with a galvanized steel chassis and aluminum body panels, making it lightweight yet durable enough to handle rough roads and uneven terrain. The Raptor X Off-Road Caravan by Hunter at Nature is a well-equipped option for those seeking adventure and comfort on their off-road journeys. Its rugged build, spacious interior, and amenities make it a compelling choice for exploring the great outdoors. The Renegade IKON with a Stacker Sport Truck RV is a powerful combination that takes luxury off-road living to a whole new level. As you know, the IKON is the star of the show. This luxurious motorhome built on a heavy-duty truck chassis, think Freightliner or Volvo, provides unparalleled off-road capability with its powerful engine and rugged build. Inside, it boasts a spacious living area thanks to slide-outs, high-end finishes, and top-of-the-line amenities for ultimate comfort. Thanks to its expansive size and opposing hydraulic slide-outs, the IKON boasts a surprisingly roomy and comfortable living area. Imagine ample space to move around, relax, and enjoy the journey. Step inside and be greeted by top-of-the-line materials and finishes. Expect features like hardwood cabinets, porcelain tile flooring, and sumptuous leather furniture, creating a truly luxurious ambience. The Stacker is a towable trailer specifically designed to complement the IKON. These trailers, also built by Sport Truck RV, come in various lengths and feature a unique stacker design. This means the upper deck slides out hydraulically, creating a more spacious living area when parked. The Romotow T8 is a revolutionary caravan that pushes the boundaries of design and functionality for off-road enthusiasts and glamping aficionados alike. The T8 stands out with its innovative design. Imagine the main cabin tucked neatly inside the caravan body while traveling. At your campsite, a hydraulic system effortlessly swings the cabin outward, almost like a giant deck box, nearly doubling the living space. With the cabin deployed, the T8 boasts a surprisingly roomy interior. Large windows and ample headroom create an airy and comfortable living area. Depending on the floor plan, it can comfortably accommodate families or groups of friends. The T8 isn't just about functionality, it prioritizes comfort as well. Expect high-quality furnishings, modern appliances, and stylish finishes throughout the interior. Imagine features like plush seating, sleek countertops, and potentially even a built-in entertainment system. The T8 is designed to handle light off-road adventures. While not a hardcore rock crawler, its sturdy chassis, increased ground clearance, and all-terrain tires allow you to venture beyond paved roads and explore scenic backcountry locations. The Romotow T8 is a game-changer in the caravan world. Its unique swing-out design, spacious interior, luxury amenities, and off-road capability make it a compelling choice for those who crave a truly unique and comfortable off-grid adventure experience.